When we talk about artificial intelligence and machine learning, we often think of modern technologies. But did you know that one of the earliest breakthroughs in AI happened in 1957? It all started with a man named Frank Rosenblatt and his invention of the perceptron. Today, we're going to explore how this neurocomputer came to be and why it ultimately stalled. Rosenblatt's work was inspired by two key figures: Arthur Samuel, who pioneered machine learning with his checkers playing program, and Donald Hebb, whose research focused on how brain cells communicate. Combining these ideas, Rosenblatt created something groundbreaking, what he called the perceptron. So what exactly was the perceptron? It was designed as an image recognition system for IBM 700 for computer. Rosenblatt intended for it to mimic how neurons in the brain process information, creating the first step toward what we now call a neural network. The perceptron used simple algorithms to recognize patterns in visual data. It would take an image, break it down into pixels, and try to identify whether it matched a known pattern, sort of like how modern face recognition works, but at a much simpler level. Rosenblatt believed the perceptron had the potential to be scalable, meaning it could be used in different types of machines, not just IBM's 704. It was, in many ways, the first real neurocomputer ever deployed. However, while the perceptron was an innovative idea, it faced significant challenges. For one, it struggled with complex visual patterns, like identifying human faces or even more detailed images. The algorithms Rosenblatt developed were great for simple tasks, but the perceptron just couldn't handle more sophisticated recognition tasks. And as the research progressed, the limitations became too difficult to ignore. Unfortunately, the inability to achieve these goals, along with a lack of funding, led to the downfall of the perceptron project. Neural network research stalled almost entirely by the mid-1960s. For decades, machine learning and neural networks were largely forgotten. It wasn't until the 1990s that this field started to come back to life, thanks to advances in computing power and new algorithms. But even though the perceptron faced challenges, it was a crucial stepping stone for modern AI. Today's neural networks, which power everything from voice recognition to self-driving cars, owe their existence to Rosenblatt's pioneering work. Without Rosenblatt's perceptron, we wouldn't have the advanced machine learning systems we rely on today. It was the first attempt to bridge the gap between human brain function and computers, and that's a legacy worth remembering. So the next time you see an AI program in action, remember it all started with Frank Rosenblatt and his perceptron. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating tech history. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.